wonder what exactly is sound? Like when you bang on a drum. What is that noise you hear? Well, today we're going to do an experiment to find out a little bit more on how sound works. You'll need a bowl, turn this one upside down, a piece of plastic wrap, and some sugar. Take the plastic wrap and place it tightly over the bowl. Then grab your sugar and pour just a little bit on the top of the bowl. Use your finger to spread it out. And once you have the sugar on the bowl, we're going to hum next to the bowl to see how the sound from our mouths makes the sugar on the bowl move. This experiment shows that sound actually moves. We saw the sugar move when we created sound next to it. When sound is created, the air molecules next to the source of the sound start to vibrate. And these moving air molecules cause the other molecules next to them to move as well. These vibrating air molecules pass energy along with them in the form of a wave. But a little bit of energy is lost along the way. This is why the further away you are from the source of the sound, the quieter you hear it. So there's a lot of really cool science behind how sounds work. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are all brilliant.